Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can create a funnel chart in Power BI, which can help you visualize your data according to the stage. I already have my data connected, and here you can also see in the table form, it's this list of projects according to their status and all the details. So in order to create and visualize it according to the stage for each project, I will go here in the visualization pane and I can see the funnel chart here. I'll simply select it, and here I have to add category, values and tooltips if you want to add any further. Category and value are the ones that you really need to populate. So in the category, I will select status, I will drag it here, and in the values, I will just drag project ID. So we need count of projects. So here now you can see done are 6, on track 5, progress in progress 4, on hold 2 and delayed 1. Let's just make it total project number of projects, and in the tooltips let's also drag location, and we can add count of location, or we can simply make it locations. Now if I go and hover, so you can see status done, number of projects are 6, percentage of first, we will come to that, and location 4. So there are 4 locations. If I click here, it will also filter the data, and you can see that these are the one done, and locations here are Seattle, New York, Chicago, San Francisco, which are the 4 locations that have completed their projects. So I'll click here. Now let's further see how we can further format it. So I'll click on format your visuals. In the color bar, you can set up any color for all of them, or we will just click on show all, and we want our done to be shown as green, on track can be yellow, in progress can also be a shade of yellow, on hold let's make it this color, and delayed should be dark red. Let's just make it like this. Now in the data labels, if I switch it off, you see there's no data label, so we will need it. You can set the position, and you can also set the label content. For example, if I put the percentage of first, so it will start showing the percentage of the first, which is 6, and completed. I will keep it as data label. Inside center, if you want to have it outside, and you can put it as it is. In the values, you can set the values. Let's just make it a bit bold, and we will keep everything as it is. The background, you can also add a background, and you can select the color of what you want. We will keep it like this. In the category label, again in the category label, if you want to have them, of course we do, and you can change the value, font size, color. I'll just make it bold. The conversion rate, this is the conversion rate, so 100% is the maximum, and this the lowest is showing here. You can, if you don't need it, you can just remove it, or you can keep it, and you can set the values. In general, it's like how you format any general information for any of the Power BI visuals. In the properties, you can set the size. You can also change it from here. Title, if you want to add any, you can add the title here. By default, it is showing this. I will just remove the title. You can add any effect. If you want a background, I don't need any background, so we'll remove that. You can add a visual border. You can add shadow, and you can also further modify it using these. Similarly, for data format, if you want to set any data format for any of the fields that you have, you can set it here, and so on and forth. So this is how you can create a funnel chart in Power BI. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.